doing beautiful, beautiful natural curls, flat twist and single twist as well. So I will be showing you how to do flat twist on natural hair without using any heat, and also how to put in natural hair single twist. So for the partings, I'm just doing like a half moon kind of thing right here. Make it faster because I'm all about making your process quicker. Remember I said like this part's a bit bigger than the rest just because you've got the little hairs here and you just don't want to be like one twist that's just so little. Maybe I'll just reduce this so that we got a little bit more volume going on there. And I think it's twist season because I did some twists yesterday as well.
Video?
Yeah. So I'm gonna do a different method now of twist. I know this is like the way Senegalese twist is done, but this gives you a tighter twist as well. More secure. When I say tight, please, I do not mean tight at the base. When I say tight, I mean tight in a more secure manner. So this is a different finger movement in that I'm crossing this over, and while I'm crossing it over, I am twisting on itself. Because it's a bit wet, it's hard to see. But for me, this is one of the fastest ways of twist. But I want to see what is going to come out, whether there's going to be any difference in the way it looks. So I'm just going to be right quick with that. So now for the ones at the edges, I'm adding a bit of this edge control just so that you can sleek it down just a bit. So that will help you, give you a bit more control. So, and if you want your lines to be more defined, you can either use define or you can use a bit of the edge control we have. So far, beautiful soft twist, me loving it. So we have been doing a sort of latticed curved design, and what that does is it covers the roots in a way, because you're doing, like for example, we're doing 1 2 3 4, and if you look underneath, we've got these ones in between. So this one falls in between, that falls in between, and that gives you like a much fuller look, and you're not seeing as much scalp. If you do it in boxes, you can do the same kind of thing, making sure that it falls in between each other. We have two, and we twist it on that way, and we do the same thing, twist it again, and while we're twisting, we're making sure that we're curving it as it's going on. So if you notice that hand movement, twist, take round, twist, take, twist on itself. So if you see, I'm twisting the hair round, taking that bit, and then twisting this round again, taking the other bit. The strand is twisted in a clockwise direction, and we twist the hair in an anti-clockwise. So we get the next hair and we twist again, and you put it in the other hand and twist in an anti-clockwise direction. And you notice that once you do that, when you leave the twist, it's automatically twisting it on itself. Twist is one of the first things I started doing as a young girl, about 11. So it just really comes naturally to me, and I don't even have to think about it. So with enough practice, you can get to that too.
Lovely. Really nice and soft.
Yeah.
No tension.
Just got 2 twists left. We're quickly pushing towards the finish line. Pull that way, then there's tension here. So it's better when you're plaiting anything to pull in that, plait in that direction to reduce the tension at that point. So we finished our twist, and these are our twists. Let me just go around. Okay. And that's how it's looking from the front. So we can leave it like this and there's nothing wrong. If you want to put a bit more something on the edges, that's fine by me, but I think we're leaving it as natural as possible. So the only thing I wanted to do now is, because she's got such big hair that seems to want to unravel, like if you look at this here, this is already trying to, it just wants to keep unraveling. So what I'll do to help this just last longer and not feel like it's expanding more than it should, I'm just gonna put some thread through just to keep it in that particular twist form and just help it stay like not getting too big. There's nothing wrong with that. It will just help to keep the style longer and just keep the style looking manageable. So I'm just doing like a thread through. I'm just putting one thread through, and when she wants, she can just take that out. So I'm just tightening that down, and then I put the thread through. And it's very important to twist it in the direction which it was plaited to get the best benefits out of that. Yeah, so that's through. This is what our thread has done. Just put that together so that it's not unraveling too much, it's not getting too big, too thick. Tiny bit, not too much. Oh, that is so beautiful. You're beautiful already, but then you know sometimes you just change your hairstyle and then your face just pops out. Oh, bless you. I can see everything, like all the beauty.